When former President Donald Trump claimed that the US government was wasting money on research involving transgender mice, it sparked confusion, controversy, and let's be honest, some serious head-scratching. But was that even true? And what does transgender mice actually mean? Well, today we're clearing up the confusion and exploring the very real difference between transgenic and transgender mice. This all started back in 2018, when Trump's administration highlighted what they called wasteful spending in scientific research. One project that got mocked? A study that reportedly involved transgender mice. The comment instantly went viral, fueling jokes, misunderstandings, and even some conspiracy theories. But here's the thing. Scientists weren't actually making mice that identify as a different gender. What Trump likely meant, or at least what the project actually was, involved transgenic mice, and that's a totally different thing. Transgenic mice are genetically modified animals, created by inserting foreign DNA into their genome. Scientists use these mice to study diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even neurological disorders. By adding or altering specific genes, researchers can understand how those genes function and how they might contribute to disease. So, what about transgender mice? Well, that's not really a standard scientific term. Mice don't have gender identities the way humans do. But some studies do explore sex differences, meaning how male and female mice respond differently to diseases or treatments. Researchers might also manipulate hormone levels in mice or even alter genes related to sex development. But that's not the same thing as a mouse identifying as transgender. The confusion between transgenic and transgender might sound funny, but it highlights a much bigger issue: how science gets politicized and misunderstood in public debates. When complex biomedical research gets boiled down into misleading sound bites, it can threaten future funding for real valuable science. So, to recap, transgenic mice are genetically modified for research. Transgender mice are not really a thing in science, and funding for biomedical research, it's way more important and way less weird than some politicians would have you believe. If you want us to break down more science myths or explain confusing headlines, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.